Beautiful. B E A U T I F U L.
Beautiful!
Beautiful. Something that's beautiful is very pleasing in the way it looks, sounds, or makes you feel. Belch. B E L C H
Belch!
Belch is another word for burp. Bellow. B E L L O W.
Bellow!
Bellow. To bellow is to yell in a deep voice. Between. B E T W E N.
Between!
Between. Something is between when it is in the middle of two other things. Blend. B L E N D.
Blend!
To blend is to put things together and mix them all up. Bounce. B O U N C E.
Bounce!
Bounce. When things bounce, they spring back quickly after hitting something. A ball can bounce off the floor, the wall, or even the ceiling.